Have you ever believed in miracles? Especially during the holy month of Sawan. This is the story of a girl named Meera, whose life changed forever on a rainy Monday morning. Meera was an ordinary girl from a small town in India. Her dreams were big, but her life was simple. Every morning she would walk to the nearby temple and offer her prayers to Lord Shiva. She believed in faith, but life was not easy. Her father had passed away 2 years ago, and since then, Meera had taken the responsibility of her mother and younger brother. She worked at a local tailoring shop and earned just enough to manage food and basic needs. Her heart was full of hope, but her eyes carried silent pain. One Monday of the Sawan month, Meera woke up earlier than usual. She had kept a fast for Lord Shiva, like every Sawan Somvar. But this time she had a wish, a deep, silent wish that she didn't share with anyone. Her younger brother was sick, very sick. They had visited hospitals, but the treatment was expensive. Meera didn't have that kind of money. The day after completing her puja at the temple, she sat alone under a peepal tree. Tears rolled down her cheeks. She whispered, "If you are really listening, Mahadev, please save my brother. Please save my brother." Just then, a strange old man walked toward her. He wore white clothes. His beard was long and silver, and his eyes calm like a river. He sat beside Meera without saying a word. After a few moments, he looked at her and said, "Child, your prayers have reached the right ears." Meera looked at him, confused. "How do you know I was praying?" she asked. The old man smiled. "Faith doesn't need words." He handed her a small copper coin and said, "Give this to the doctor tomorrow. You will find your answer." Before she could ask anything else, he got up and walked away into the mist. The next day, Meera visited the hospital again with trembling hands. She gave the doctor that coin. The doctor looked at her, confused at first, but then something strange happened. An assistant rushed in with new reports. The doctor said, "Meera, the new test shows that your brother's illness is not what we thought. He can recover with simple medicines." Meera couldn't believe her ears. 3 days later, her brother started recovering, slowly but surely. One evening, while buying flowers for her temple visit, Meera met a priest. She asked him, "Have you seen an old man with white clothes and a silver beard?" The priest smiled and pointed to a statue behind him. It was Lord Shiva in his old sage form. Her heart skipped a beat. Was it really him? She never saw that man again. But the coin, the copper coin, remained with her forever. Life didn't become easy after that, but Meera had changed. She now believed in unseen blessings, in the quiet strength of faith, and in the power of a pure heart. Every Sawan Somvar, she visits that same temple, and when someone sits alone in sadness, she leaves a flower and a prayer for them. Because miracles do happen. Believe in the divine and believe in yourself. You never know who is listening.